How are you, year one? Today we're going to do lesson 4 and we're going to use words like whole, half, quarter, and 3/4 turns. We're going to do turns today. So how does whole turn look like? How does it look like? Well, I have here a boat. And I have here, we did this before in the class, and it will actually guide us if we're turning the right way and if we're turning the right amount. So this is a whole circle, and I divided them into quarters, right? So how many quarters do you see? Yeah, you're right. There are 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many halves do you see? There are 2. This is 1 half and this is another half. Okay, so if we start like this boat is facing that way, and if the boat needs to turn a quarter turn, then it will only turn a quarter. This is 1/4 of a circle, so the boat will turn a quarter like this way. Okay, remember, you can turn to the right and you can turn to the left. Okay, it's the same thing. But at this particular activity is only turning clockwise. It means that we're going to turn like a clock, going to turn in on the right side. Okay, now I'm going to show you if the boat is turning half. How does it look? So the boat is turning half. It needs to turn this way. So it's half of a circle, right? It turned half. Now, if the boat is turning 3/4 turns, here we have 3/4, then we need to give 1, 2, 3. 3/4 turns look like this, okay? 1/4, half, 3/4. It's facing that way. It has turned 3/4 turns. Okay? Now, if I say the boat has turned whole turn, then it needs to turn and go back to its original position. Okay? Again, whole turn looks like this. It was facing this way. It needs to turn 1 whole circle to make it a whole turn. Okay? Now you understand? Now let's go to this activity. You will need a colored pencil or colored pencils. So this is the boy. He's on top of the hill, and on his sides, around him actually, there is a playing field, there is an ice cream shop, there's a pond with boats, and there are trees. Now, the first row here, already it's filled up. What does the boy see at first? And when he turns, what did he see next? So, now the boy is seeing an ice cream shop on this, okay? This row. Now he turns quarter turn. The boy will turn quarter turn. Quarter means he needs to go like this way. Okay? 1/4 turn. Now, when he turns a quarter turn, what does he see? You need to draw what is he seeing. He's seeing what is it? He's turning 1/4, going clockwise. So if this is the boy, if the boy is this way, he's facing the shop and he turns quarter. Now what is he seeing? He's seeing the pond. You're going to draw a pond with a boat. I think your drawing must be nicer than me. I think you're a better drawer than me. And then you can color it because it's colored pencil. This is just an example, okay? Now on the second row. This time, the boy is seeing the playing field, the track field, okay? He's seeing that. That is his starting point. there is no instruction here. But it says that after the turn of the boy, he's seeing the pond with the boats. So what is the turn that the boy did? Is it a whole turn, a half turn, a quarter turn, or a 3/4 turns? So from here, he's seeing this. Oh, he must have turned half. Half turn. Do you understand now? Okay, now that you are going to do this and you're going to finish on your own, we're going to go to the next page. This activity is a little bit long, so the video will be longer. So, turning again. We're going to do whole, half, quarter, and 3/4 turns again, but this time with pattern. I'm showing you this carefully because I don't want you to make mistake in cutting this, okay? Do you see that there are like dotted lines here? We are not going to cut this way, okay? We're going to cut this way. You see the dotted line? Okay, they have dotted lines. So one set should have 3 or 4 sets of shapes, okay? Now, let's cut it first. That is how we cut. We cut cleanly. Oops, careful. Okay, this is how we do this. Now we need scissors and glue now, and we need to have a clear table for this. I need to cut on the dotted line, not here but on the dotted line. Okay, this is 1, again dotted line, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 patterns here. We're going to glue them in here following the instruction. So here, let's see which pattern is this matching this one. Can you find it? I think this one. You see, they're the same, okay? Now, it says here that this shape, a quarter turn to the right. Oh, okay. Let me just draw. Where is my marker? So, turning to the right means going like that way. That is right. And turning to the left goes this way, okay? Now, it says here that this shape needs to turn a quarter turn to the right. Okay, now it will be helpful if you match it first. It should look the same position. It should not be like this, they're not matching, or this, they're not matching. You need to start with a starting position like this way, and you place it here, okay? And it says a quarter turn to the right. Let me turn it to the right. A quarter. Oh. Then, when you turn it a quarter turn to the right, the position should be like this. Now you need to get that and glue it here. Okay? They look the same, but now when it turns, this shape is up here, okay? Do you want to try another one? Okay, let's do, which one do you want? The second one has a star and a stripe. This must be this, okay? Let's keep it at the side. So again, let's match it. Okay, half turn. This one needs to do half turn. Okay, let's put it this way. Here, half turn. Let's do quarter, half. Half looks like this. Now, we need to glue it. Glue. Okay, did I do it correctly? Okay. Now, you're going to do this 3 on your own. Can you do it? All right, congratulations.